Hi to everyone. How you guys doing? I want to say thanks to my donator, Vivid Broomfield, who has donated $100 US dollars to me. Thanks for the money, miss. I have used it to buy something very nice. And also thanks to my other donator, Carol Bruce, who has donated $100 to me to buy dog food. Thanks for the money, miss. I have used the money to buy dog food. Thanks for watching all my videos and liking and sharing and subscribing to my video. So, thanks for the love and big up. Praises to the Most High Jah Haile Selassie. May God bless you all. Jah love forever. So these are some coconut that I have oxed out and taken out of the shell, and I would be boiling them to make coconut oil to put in my ear. Coconut oil is what I use to put in my ear to make it very shiny and grow fast. Because coconut oil good for ear, it make it shiny and make ear grow fast. And it can eat also. I do not really use this coconut oil to cook because it's a lot of hard work to boil it. So I just use it in my ear, and I use the other ones that sell at shop and supermarkets. And I just use those ones that are buckled and labeled to cook with. So this is how my coconut juice look after I have finished it, juiced it, and now I'm going to boil it into coconut oil. The big pot is what I'm going to boil it in, and I will be throwing the other 2 pots of coconut juice in the big pot when it is boiled down, and then when it is finished, it will be coconut oil. And the coconut oil is what I use to put in my ear. And this is how my coconut oil looks after I'm finished boiling it and put it in bottle, and it's good for ear to make it shiny, grow fast and very strong. So I'm eating some nice, fresh, lovely ripe bananas off my farm that I have planted, and they are fat and nice. They are very lovely. They are really good. So I to all my global fans of the world, well, the storm has passed, said Melissa. My house got a little damage, but it's not so bad. My farm got damaged, the whole of it. But I'm still living. I'm giving thanks for life same way. And if anyone want to donate something for me, you can just link me up on my contact number on WhatsApp and donate something to me if you would like to donate something. And I will be thankful for that. And I would like a nice, pretty white girl, whether girl or woman. I would like a nice, pretty white girl or a woman to be my future wife. So any pretty white girl or woman out there likes me and want to have a future with me, a relationship, so we can live together, whether in Jamaica or anywhere in the world, you can link me up on my contact number on WhatsApp so we can have a chat. So, love to everyone who have watched my videos and like and subscribe. Big up to everyone. Jah love. Praises to the Most High Jah, Haile Selassie, His Imperial Majesty.